The year might still be shrouded in mystery, but the rumors are swelling like a gathering storm. For generations, one brand has etched itself into the annals of photography as the gold standard for freezing moments in time with breathtaking clarity and precision. Yet here it stands, on the edge of uncharted territory, a world where light doesn't just illuminate but choreographs entire narratives, where every pixel pulses with life and intent. We're diving deep into Nikon and their audacious pivot towards cinema cameras that could shatter expectations. What if this isn't just an evolution, but a revolution in how we capture motion? Drop a comment below. What's your biggest hope or fear for Nikon's big swing into filmmaking? In the next half hour, let's set aside the familiar battles of DSLRs and mirrorless shooters that define Nikon's storied past. Instead, we're peeling back the layers on a burning question rippling through every indie set and Hollywood backlit. Can Nikon step into the ring against the Titans? Red's raw power, ARRI's cinematic pedigree, Sony's versatile edge, Canon's unyielding reliability. With a dedicated cinema rig that doesn't merely play catch-up, but redraws the blueprint for what professional tools should deliver? This goes beyond megapixels and frame rates. It's about infusing a camera with the intangible spirit of artistry, blending a century of imaging mastery with forward-thinking innovation. If you're wielding a gimbal on your latest short film, crafting viral stories for the gram, lighting epic features, or simply captivated by the alchemy of visuals that move the soul, stick with me. This is your front row seat to the dawn of a new era in filmmaking, stamped with that unmistakable Nikon emblem. Nikon's flirtation with video has always felt like a tentative dance, hasn't it? It all sparked unintentionally back with the D90, that unassuming DSLR which, in a stroke of serendipity, unlocked video recording and ignited the hybrid camera craze. From there, they've inched forward. Think the Z6 solid 4K chops or the Z9's beastly hybrid prowess, nibbling at the fringes of true cinematic territory without fully committing. But a purpose-built cinema camera? That's leaping off the cliff into the abyss of high-stakes production. So, what lit the fuse now, after all these years of restraint? It's a tapestry of smart timing and strategic alignment. Start with the Z-mount ecosystem. This mirrorless marvel boasts a generous 55mm inner diameter and a featherlight 16mm flange distance, engineered for razor-sharp optics that pull in light like a black hole while playing nice with adapters for vintage glass or PL mount primes. For still photographers, it's a quiet triumph. For cinematographers, it's a canvas prime for epic depth of field, flawless bokeh, and lens swaps that spark endless creativity, explaining why it's already a whisper among rental houses eyeing hybrid workflows. Layer on the market's hunger for fresh blood, and the picture sharpens. Up top, Red and ARRI reign supreme in the stratosphere of 8K behemoths and color-accurate workhorses, commanding loyalties with their broadcast-grade reliability. Down in the trenches, Sony's FX line and Canon C-Series gobble up prosumer budgets, offering ergonomic familiarity at accessible prices. But here's the chink in the armor. Creators everywhere are fatigued by walled gardens of proprietary codecs, clunky data wrangling that eats hours in post, and sticker shocks that lock out emerging talents. Nikon, with its cult-like following from photo pros, a vault of legendary Nicker glass that's been rendering reality since 1917, and the Z-Series proven silicon smarts, is perfectly teed up to bridge that void. They're not slapping together another gadget. They're architecting an ecosystem disruptor, one that democratizes 6K raw capture, streamlines on-set monitoring, and integrates color grading from the get-go, all while keeping costs grounded enough for the next Scorsese in the garage. And oh, the ways this could carve its own path. Let's linger here, because the devil's in these details that could make or break hearts on set. Nikon's color science, honed over decades on sensors that coax lifelike hues from the harshest sunsets or subtlest shadows, is nothing short poetic for stills. Think creamy skin tones that breathe, foliage that rustles with verdant truth, and skies that evoke emotion without a filter. Translate that alchemy to motion, and you're not chasing the hypervivid punch of action cams or the clinical flats of log-heavy rivals. You're inheriting an organic palette that honors the scene soul, from golden hour intimacy to neon-drenched noir. Envision a bespoke log gamma, maybe dubbed in-log cinema, engineered to hoard 14-plus stops of dynamic range while preserving those nuanced primaries, giving colors a playground for bold transforms in post without artifacts creeping in. It's explanatory magic. Why settle for baked-in looks when you can grade with surgical precision, pulling ethereal highlights from overexposed flares or unearthing details in crushed blacks, all rooted in Nikon's empirical grasp of how light interacts with silicon. Workflow, that silent killer of creative flow, demands equal reverence. No filmmaker worth their salt wants to wrestle incompatible RAWs or export headaches. At 3 a.m., Nikon could shine by baking in support for the big three. DaVinci Resolve's node-based sorcery for surgical tweaks, Premiere Pro's timeline efficiency for quick-turn edits, and Final Cut's magnetic magnetism for Apple loyalists. Seamless transcodes, metadata that sticks, and proxy generation that's idiot-proof. Imagine ND filters that sync electronically with the iris for exposure control on the fly, or global shutters that banish rolling artifacts in high-speed chases. All explained through intuitive menus that echo the Z-Series tactile joy. This is incremental. It's a holistic rethink, turning the camera into an extension of your vision rather than a hurdle. The buzz in filmmaker circles? It's electric, laced with that intoxicating blend of wide-eyed anticipation and battle-hardened doubt. The kind that simmers in Reddit threads and SMPT panels alike. The thrill stems from possibility. A Nikon cinema body could lure photo hybrids into full-frame video without the ergonomics tax, offering modular rigs that scale from run-and-gun docks to VFX-heavy spectacles. Skeptics, though, they're the guardians of the old guard, wedded to ARI's Alexa lineage for its lineage of unassailable latitude and that buttery motion render, or Red's modular fortitude that's weathered 1,000 blockbusters. Change is glacial in this world. Rigs represent sunk costs in glass, gaffers, and muscle memory, and one codec hiccup could sour a launch. Yet, whispers from Nikon's labs hint at betas that wow with thermal stability for endless takes and Ethernet outputs rivaling broadcast cams, enough to tempt even the diehards to peek over the fence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.